Hello DIY Glam. Welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY. And if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video is a Glam high-end vase centerpiece. And we're going to be using diamond appliques, pearls, and diamond rhinestones. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, we're getting this DIY project started. We're going to be using this Lindo vase, this Totally Dazzled applique, this BB Crab diamond rhinestone, and these flat back pearls. I'm dropping the links for all of this in the description. We're using Fix All adhesive and my Pick Me Up stick. Now that applique is from Totally Dazzled. Make sure you check my affiliate link to get you some nice high-end pieces from Totally Dazzled at a discount. It don't cost you anything extra to order from my links. You guys, look at how gorgeous this applique is. We're going to start by cutting this diamond rhinestone, and you guys just follow me along as we create this elegant high-end vase. And as you can see, this vase has a translucent color to it, and it actually has a gold hue to it. And I'm telling you guys, the end result is gorgeous. So follow me along, and we're going to be playing with some gold pieces in the next upcoming videos. I did get a lot of y'all requests, and that wall art and wall decor requests, I will be dropping those videos very soon. And this completes this glamorous base centerpiece. I hope this gave you guys some inspiration. And if you're loving this DIY, drop me a comment. As you can tell, I'm finna to play with a little bit of gold, and I am actually loving it. Too, if you're still watching and you haven't subscribed to the Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. And if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.